Hello! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called brightness and tap on it, and here make sure that the auto brightness or auto adjust is disabled, and once you disable it, tap on brightness option, and now we can scroll through a list of levels of brightness, select the one you like, and once you select it, tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.